Hi, and welcome to the Debridge Service Series. Today we're talking about service design. It's an exercise which allows you to look holistically at a service that is being provided to your customers and identify areas in which technology and products could drive efficiencies or opportunities for revenue or even automation. To contextualize what service design may look at, think about a pizzeria. Anytime that a customer is ordering a pizza, the customer experience or customer journey only represents a surface of that overall service. There's a front stage where there may be a POS system, there's a backstage where orders are taken in the kitchen, and there are even supporting processes such as the oven and the temperature in the oven and all of the tooling and equipment that is necessary to actually make the pizza. If you only think about the customer journey as the only thing that will influence your product, you're going to build a product that is focusing on business process and not necessarily on customer outcomes. That's why when we think about service design, we think about establishing the overall system in which the product is going to live. We look at mapping out not just the customer journey, but also identifying all of the touch points for the customer, identifying all of the actors on the front stage, the back stage, as well as all of the supporting processes that exist in that system. So as we start identifying areas where, for example, a customer could have a better experience due to a mobile app, we may also identify other areas of opportunity that may, for example, improve operations inside the kitchen. Once you establish all of these opportunities, you can then run a prioritization exercise to determine which things need to go to market first. Lastly, once the product and the priorities are identified, we also look at establishing a holistic metric system that can then refine and guide the team as they're building the product. We look at delivery metrics, such as velocity. We look at product metrics, such as is the product actually making the customer experience better or optimizing your pizza cooking times. And lastly, we look at also quality metrics that are associated more with the code and the scalability and the deployments and so on and so forth. As part of service design, what we do is we bring the people, the process, and the tooling that allows us to move IT from being a cost center in the organization to it being an area where opportunities can be created, a product-centric organization that can create experiences for the customer, for back office, and so on and so forth, and take them to market in record time. So if any of this is interesting and if you'd love to learn more about product design and development, please take 30 minutes of your time and I would be happy to walk you through a full capabilities presentation at Debridge. Thank you for listening.